we're getting ready to head out to
Key Largo.
Yeah, that's where we're going.
Jolly Rogers. Or Jolly Roger campsite. Woohoo!
What do you think?
Heading into the rain. It's okay. It's going to be in the 70s. We'll take rain over snow anytime.
Yeah.
But this place was nice. Good stop. Not cheap, but good stop.
And we had a great time last night. It was way past his bedtime.
Ooh, yeah.
So, but we had a good time. We got back to the camp around 9 o'clock, I guess.
Yeah,
something like that.
Yeah.
We got back, met a lot of great people, great RV community, exchanged a lot of cards and names with each other, and
yeah, we went with the open roading and untethered meetup at Whiskey Joe's. Food was good.
The food was good. The beach was their private beach that belonged to the restaurant,
Joe's, yeah.
And they had a bar down there, but they had like 6 huge gas fire pits, and those were really nice.
Yeah, it was cold on the beach.
Why when I look at that, but I'm looking straight at it, but it looks like I'm looking over there.
I don't know. Are you looking that way?
That must be. Ooh,
are your eyes cracked?
Need
your eyes examined? I know I gotta get my ears examined. What'd you say?
Yeah. Did laundry this morning. He came back and I folded it. He lost a sock. Like, how you lose a sock?
Better than underwear.
We only had like 10 pieces of items. So I walked back over there and look in the dryer, and there's my sock.
Oh well.
Exactly. So, but anyway, we will catch you guys later.
Yep.
Further in our trip.
Adios.
See you later. Guys, just gonna show you a little glimpse of the ocean, but I guess not. The gates in the way. They have the gate, or the not gate, the fence, so that alligators can't get across. So we have 1 hour and 14 minutes left. Yay! You ready to be there? Yeah, we've been fussing at people on the way, cars cutting us off because nobody know how to merge. That's so kind of yeah. Especially with the van, they see the van and they're like, "Oh, go faster, go faster." We need to beat them so we don't get stuck behind them. This morning as the pelicans are coming in, and I are walking along the deck. We left Gary back in the van. Look at him. So cool. Sorry. This is our campsite, our campground, sorry. Yes, the sun's coming out this morning.
Good morning, adventure groupies. We are at Jolly Rogers Campground, close to Key West. This place is nice.
I took videos of the beach in that
Supervisor took videos of the beach. It's pretty compact. One of the things they ask you to do is put your garbage out here at the road between the hours of 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. and they pick it up. Or if you miss the garbage pickup, you have to walk it to the garbage can or wait till the next morning. Today is supposed to be a nice sunny day. No rain, we'll see how that happens, but it's about 72 degrees, so it's nice. We are right by the ocean. And oh yeah, there she is, the hut. This is where I leave Supervisor and I head to the oasis. This is the bathroom. They're nice, clean. There's me in the mirror. There's your shower stall. It is push button. There are 2 of them. But in essence, very nice. They have the motel also part of this RV campground, so you can get motel rooms. Here's the pool. No pets allowed, but that's okay. Coming into the campground, that's the entrance. It's well kept, it's not dirty. That's the main office coming off the main road. We're in spot 38A. Looks like they've got some boat and trailer parking. Straight ahead is vast water. There we go. Frankie's sleeping area. Around the corner. The problem we have is we have that tree right above us. So I could not use Starlink last night. If I move over, I might be able to do that, but they told me to park my rig close to the cement pad. But we're gonna see if we can move it over tonight. The dog park is over there, where all the dogs hang out. Got an area to wash the dogs or wash the watercraft, and that's the dog park. It was quiet last night. A walking we will go, a walking we will go, hi-ho America. A walking we will go with the supervisor. Coming to the end of our Jolly Rogers campground. And this is the scene we have. It's gonna be 75 degrees today in January. Where we live, it's gonna be colder than this.
No, 20.
Poor Freya. Freya's gonna be freezing. Supervisor says Freya is where she wants to be.
She is.
And where do you want to be, Supervisor? Hi, doggy.
Ah, how cute.
Whoop. This is the site we have here. Beautiful site. And you know, Supervisor and Arrow climbing the wall. Don't jump in, honey. It says crocodiles in the area. Arrow, they fight better than you in the water.
Yeah, I got more teeth.
Yeah, more teeth. But you also get campsites here that can face right out to the water and enjoy the water. What's that?
We walked this.
Did you?
This morning.
Okay.
Super nice spots.
Yeah. One thing that Belinda and I have noticed here at this campground is there is a lot of Class Bs. A lot more than we normally see. How many do you think we got in here?
I think I've seen at least 10.
10. Yeah, 10 of them.
Come on now.
So
We'll watch tonight, can we?
yeah, we'll count them tonight.
Oh, he's gonna smell a little dog.
There's the Tiki Hut where they had the dance last night at 7 p.m. I wanted to go, but supervisor was just too tired.
I was the one that was there. I just walked past and there was like 6 people.
Oh, I must have dreamt.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's only 6 people there.
She's ratting me out, guys.
Check out our Dog Adventure Mini Coach Lifestyle blogger site. There are dog adventure stories of Freya and Arrow to choose from to share with kids. There's also a section earmarked for ancient proverb sayings designed to help build individuals up. Scan the QR code or type the web link in your browser to access this information.
rooster just landed on the top of our van as we parked in the parking lot. And there he is.
Key West has a notable population of roosters and chickens, which are present throughout the area. These birds are introduced by descendants of the early settlers and now roam freely, representing the island's free spirit. Originally brought to the island for cockfighting, which is now illegal, and for their eggs as a food source, these birds have become recognized symbols of Key West. Visitors to the island are likely to encounter these birds during their stay.
All right, we made it to Key West. We had a rooster welcome us. They told us there's going to be a lot of chicken around here, right? Chickens and hens or whatever. Roosters. Anyways, we're walking out on this pier. It's a memorial pier. It's not the other monument that I want to take supervisor to, where we go to the furthest part of Key West, which is approximately 1 mile down there, where all the action is. People out here enjoying jet skiing ride. Nice day. Even Arrow's enjoying it. So this is the line of people wanting to get a picture right at the monument. But again, Belinda and I were not going to stand in that long line. Hey, Coach B. Okay, great. But anyways, that is the line for getting the monument picture here in Key West.
Belinda and I opted not to wait in the lengthy queue to have our photograph taken at the monument marking the southernmost point of the United States of America. Instead, we positioned ourselves on the opposite side where a considerate individual kindly took our picture. We were not concerned about including all of the monument's inscription in our photo.
All right, we are going to stop for lunch at this place called, what's it called? Geiger something. There's some dog bags if you need any doggy poop bags. The place is packed. Frankie's parked way down there. They say this is good food, so we're going to check it out. I think it's called Grieger or Greiger. You can smell the food. Grieger Key Marina. And that's the RV park right there. Whoa. Place is busy. Here we are. We got waterfront viewing. People can pull their boats up. There's actually fish that are floating in the water. Pretty neat. The bar is packed. And the restaurant's packed.
No, they're steamed. Always. So when you go in the fish market, if you win,
Here's the menu.
Any of them, the stone crab claws we sell them cooked only. We never sell them raw.
And
so if you go
Arrow's happy.
Yeah.
He's under the table with a shade, and they gave him a bottle, or gave him a
Fried.
bowl of
You
water.
like the fish fried?
Ice
Okay.
water.
With French fries.
Just headed out. People here love to fish off of this bridge.
Heading to Tampa again, Elba. I think it's called Elba, Florida. Visit our uncle. Idiot. Mommy, you want
Whoa! Come on in.
You scared me. Arrow, you ready to go?
He's out.
Out.
See you guys later. Hey, this is me.
While spending time at my Uncle Wally and Aunt Nancy's home, we did not want to take any video. We wanted to spend some uninterrupted time with them since we were only staying one night. Over the years, I have observed that my Uncle Wally has a preference for gadgets. Upon visiting his home, I anticipated that he would recommend and talk me into buying some products. Indeed, he introduced me to two items. The first item is a digital picture frame called Frameo. This device allows recipients to receive updated videos and pictures from their children, enabling them to stay connected. The frame also provides the option to respond with remarks. Recognizing the advantage of this frame, particularly in maintaining communications with our grandkids, it became evident that acquiring it for Belinda would be beneficial for me. The second item is the Ninja XL Smoker, a grill with multiple features. One notable feature is the dual temperature probes that indicate when to flip the steaks. This is particularly useful as different individuals may prefer their steaks cooked to varying degrees. For example, while Belinda may prefer well-done steaks and I prefer medium well, the unit's ability to accurately signal the appropriate cooking times ensures that each steak is prepared to the desired doneness. Another valuable lesson that Uncle Wally imparted to me was the art of cooking. Upon our arrival that evening, he informed us that he would be preparing dinner. He mentioned that when he cooks, they typically dine out. We had the opportunity to visit one of his preferred establishments, Beef O'Brady's. It was a great time.
All right, adventure groupies, take a look at this. You can have both.
Best worlds.
Best of both worlds. You can have a Class A and a van. Hi.
Hello, everybody. We're heading north to the cold.
Yeah.
Our weeks and a half is almost over. We don't want to go back home.
Nope.
Well, we're going to have to. We stayed at my uncle's place last night. We don't have any video for it. We just decided to enjoy family time.
Thank you, Uncle Wally and Aunt Nancy.
Nancy, yes.
The coffee was amazing this morning.
Yep, and we truly mooch docked. He had an actual 30 amp service for my rig. So.
Nice.
Woohoo!
Nice. We love it. See you later.
See you later.
Hi guys. This is officially our last campground before we go home. And this is Flat Creek Family Campground. It got good reviews. Don't know. We're only here for the night and then we're headed to Alabama tomorrow to stay with our son and his family for one night and then headed back home. Looks nice. Oh look, this is their dog park. Wow. Arrow, you're gonna love that, buddy.
Yeah.
Nice. Alright. We'll see you guys in a minute. Hi guys. Okay, this is the dog park. Arrow's made him a few friends, although he peed on that one, so he's not a very good friend. And they have it all fenced in. There's wiring there so the dogs can't get out. It's really big and nice and it's not wet or muddy. And Arrow is loving it. I'm loving it. He hasn't got to run in a couple of days the way we've been traveling in places we stayed. So he is loving this. And over there, over there is us next to the pool. So I will get some more video on my walk back. I'm gonna let him play for a little bit. See ya.
This is Flat Creek Family Campground. It's a nice campground. Some areas have trees, others are open. I asked for an open area so I could get Starlink. I will post what those speeds are. There's a resting spot for Frankie. They do have a pool. The shower house and bathroom are inside the office there. They do fill LP gas and ice. It's supposed to get a little cold tonight. They're talking about 28 degrees tonight. Arrow's been cooped up for 6 hours. Whoop, 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 whoop. Here comes the rocket boy. Here comes the rocket boy. Oh, ouch. That hurt. Playing tackle. Gotta wear this dog out. Nice, big, spacious dog park here. Yeah, Arrow's been in that Frankie for 6 hours. And I'm gonna run behind this tree. Yeah, woo! Good boy. Okay, okay, go, 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 go. Leave it. You psycho dog. Here he comes again. I'm hiding behind a tree. Here he goes. This place has some cabins. You got the bunny cabin. You got the mouse cabin. I don't know if I want to stay in a mouse
Moose,
cabin.
baby.
Oh, moose. Correction, moose. I didn't have my glasses on, girl. You got the bear cabin. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it looks like wash or cooking. Come out here and cook in this area. And the squirrel cabin. Hey, squirrel!
See, like, they're all around the same thing, but I don't see anything there.
Maybe you set your grill up.
Maybe. Yeah.
I don't know.
This is a nice place.
Yeah. Lots of woods. All right, adventure groupies. We are walking a path
He's
here.
walking.
Listen,
He's
supervisor, let me narrate here for a second. Let me get some sympathy from the viewers,
You don't
okay?
need sympathy. You don't.
Anyways, we're walking around and this guy on a golf cart thingy says, "You looking for the walking trail?" I'm shaking my head because I ain't saying a word. I'm behind the supervisor. I'm like, no, I'm not looking for a walking trail. The supervisor's like, yeah, we'll do a walking trail. And he says, well, just go down this trail about a mile. Stay to your left. Stay to your left and you'll see this waterfall. I'm thinking, oh gosh, we got hooked now. So she's like, okay, let's go. And as we're walking, I tell supervisor, you know, a mile's like 20 minutes.
It's not 20 minutes.
It's not?
Right.
Okay, well, I'm going to time it. Anyways, we'll see if this waterfall exists or if the guy was just playing a joke on me because he probably looked at me and says, you probably need some walking. Squirrel. Okay. Stay tuned. Well, there it is. It's called Alicia Falls. Get up here, dog. That's it. And there's a little wooden bridge going across. It's a small little creek.
I guess that was the fall at one time.
I guess if it rains a lot, there'd be a fall, but
I am not dealing with you.
there's no... Okay, I walked a mile for this. I need it for the exercise. It was easy to find. They had a sign. It's pointing up, but really it's over there. Anyways, I guess yeehaw. We got to see the falls, not the Niagara Falls. You can hear the water in the creek running. Okay. Adventure groupies, we did it. Off the bucket list. We saw Alicia Falls. Woohoo! Now, if you take a look at the terrain here, Belinda ain't taller than me. She's on a high hill. This hill is humongous. Coming down was easy. Look at that. I'm holding the camera like that and she's going out of view because it's that steep. Oh my gosh, here we go.
Look at him. He's all the way over there. And Arrow keeps going back and forth because he's not sure if he wants to stay with me. Eric, where's Daddy? Get Daddy. Arrow, go get Daddy. Get him. Go get Daddy. Ready? Go. There he goes. Through the woods. Here he comes again. Somebody's getting all of their energy out today. Look at that pretty boy. Arrow. Here comes Dad. There he is. Look, he's making it. Possibly. If Pharaoh don't knock him down first. Look at him. There he is. Arrow.
Hey, leave it. You said there's oxygen up ahead, right?
Go. Knock it off now. Hey. We're walking off into the sun.
All right, adventure groupies.
He's breathing.
We made it.
Barely.
I did it. And the sun's still up. Didn't take us too long. They have these things along the road, like gnome houses and gnomes, fairy houses, butterflies. I forgot to show you that earlier. Sorry I can't talk. My mouth's starting to freeze up. But yeah, nice set of woods. Trails they got here. Right now, I definitely would recommend you guys stopping here to camp. Reasonably priced, $58 a night. Includes full hookup, $58. And there's Frankie in the distance. Just think, supervisor. Yeah, we're gonna walk that way because Frankie's right there. We're gonna walk this way. Just think, supervisor, if I would have passed away there in the woods, that Frankie'd be all yours, baby. You and Arrow could have fun. Holy smokes, look at that thing. You get on top, sit. No, look at that thing. It's like a dune buggy. Well, it's got a flat. Pretty cool. Wonder what they do with that thing. Looks like you go through the swamp. What's that? Yeah.
Good morning, adventure groupies. It is 5:30 in the morning. We're trying to get up and get stuff going before the snow hits here. Head up to Decatur, Alabama today. No time for swimming. I don't know if you can see it, but there's my favorite friend every morning. Well, not this one, but we're going to the tiki hut. All right. It is cold out here. It's supposed to start snowing around 4 p.m. here. And Florida governor has already declared a state of emergency because they're going to be getting ice and so forth. So we're hoping to beat the weather. We'll see how it goes. We have some nice shower houses here. Individual cubicles. 6 of them. Clean bathrooms. Good morning, adventure groupies. It is almost 7 a.m. in the morning. It's roughly 30 degrees outside, and I'm just showing the temperatures inside the coach. We're at 72.3 degrees roughly inside the coach. My Govee temperature sensors on the driver's side is showing about almost 60 degrees, and on the passenger side it's about 67. You may be asking, why is it a little hotter on the passenger side versus the driver's side? I don't know, other than the temperatures. There's a duct there from the heating vent that also supplies heat over in that direction. I am on gas heat. I was on electrical heat this morning, but the temperature difference between 30 degrees and trying to get the coach up to 70 was too great for the electrical elements or electric elements, so I switched over to gas. Usually the electric elements are good for about a 25 degree increase from the bottom temperature outside. But anyways, the temperature shows that I'll be dumping my tanks today and then winterizing before we go to the next spot. So I do have my gray tank heaters on, and I will be dumping this type of temperature. The black tank is inside the coach, so the temperature of that black water will probably be around the, let's say, 60 degree mark. But we'll go from there. But I just wanted to show you that's the temperature difference from outside to inside, and then having to go to use gas heat versus electric heat.
Well, adventure groupies, we are in Alabama in snow.
Around Montgomery, Alabama.
Yeah. Hoping to get past this band that's going across.
Yeah, if we get north of Montgomery, we should be okay.
Yeah.
To go to Decatur.
We still have 14 miles just to get into Montgomery.
Yeah.
Yeah. See you on the other side of this weather.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Birmingham. Yes, we got through the snow. No more snow right now. We've seen some cars coming up this way that were covered in snow underneath their wheel well and so forth. So we lucked out. So it is definitely snowing south of us. And we're heading to Decatur, and it looks like it's clear roads. Ain't that right, Supervisor?
That's right. See you later.
While spending some time at our son's home in Decatur, Alabama, we did not take any videos. We wanted to spend some uninterrupted time with him and his wife and our grandkids, since we were only staying one night.
Well, we're officially into Indiana.
What?
Now, we only have 2 more hours to go.
What?
And we
Party's over?
are home.
I gotta go back to work.
Yes, you go back to work tomorrow.
Supervisor, call my supervisor. Tell him it ain't time to go back to work.
I know somebody that's going to be glad we're home.
Who's that?
And that will be Freya.
Yeah, that's a fact.
Although she's been getting all the attention on herself, and he's
yeah.
out.
He's out.
All right,
It
guys.
was a good, how many days? 10 days?
10 days coming today.
Yeah. Happy anniversary, baby.
Yeah.
Got you on my mind.
Thanks for being with us on our anniversary trip, guys. We hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, stay tuned for the next one.